Top 5 Infant Car Seats of 2024, Safest and Easiest to Use Baby Seats for New Parents. Looking for the best infant car seats of 2024? Here's a breakdown of the top options to help you choose the safest and easiest to use seat for your little one. First, the Clek Liing, priced at $499.99. It features a load leg design and rigid lower anchor connectors, which significantly reduce forward motion during crashes. It supports babies up to 35 pounds and 32 inches in height, allowing extended use. While it offers top-notch safety, it requires manual rethreading for harness adjustments and has a cumbersome cover removal process. Next is the Graco Premier SnugRide SnugFit 35XT with load leg technology, available for $349.97 to $349.99. Its load leg feature enhances stability and crash protection, while a tensioner system makes installation easier. Be cautious when purchasing, as there's another version of this seat without the load leg. Double-check to ensure you're getting the right model for maximum safety. The Chicco KeyFit is a budget-friendly option, starting at $175.99. It's known for its ease of use, with a single-pole anchor tightening mechanism and a simple carrier-to-base click system. The KeyFit supports babies up to 22 pounds, while the KeyFit 30 and KeyFit 35 offer higher weight limits for extended use. It combines value with reliable performance, making it an excellent choice for cost-conscious parents. At $299.99, the Maxi-Cosi Miko Luxe offers premium features like a load leg design and automatic latch retractors, which simplify installation. Its crash protection is outstanding, but carry handle positions are limited in vehicles. Always refer to the manual to ensure proper setup. Finally, the Nuna Pipa Air RX, priced at $550, offers superior safety with its rigid lower anchor connectors and load leg design. Its recline system adjusts based on your child's weight, making it intuitive for some parents. However, it lacks a recline indicator and doesn't include a no-rethread harness, which is surprising for its high price. Each of these car seats provides strong safety features and unique benefits. Whether you prioritize budget, ease of installation, or premium features, there's a great option for every parent. Let us know in the comments which car seat fits your needs best.